Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. It is a chilly start to our morning again, some patchy fog out there, but it's going to turn out to be another great day as this perfect week of weather continues out there. We are going to be looking at maybe a couple of areas of patchy fog again this morning. Not going to be a major concern. Otherwise, we have a nice little warm-up for today. Some high-level clouds do come in from the west later on today. Otherwise, nice mild temperatures, mostly lower, some mid-70s out there, looking pretty good for your Friday. Overnight tonight, maybe some low clouds in eastern Nebraska. Could be some patchy fog as well in the west and the east. Mostly clear skies around the Tri-Cities, a little on the cool side, but not as chilly. A lot of 40s for overnight lows. And then heading into tomorrow, maybe a degree or two warmer, but looks pretty similar to today. Maybe one thing we'll have to watch towards the afternoon, maybe a stray shower, isolated thunderstorm out there. I'd say 99% of the area is going to stay dry, but can't completely rule it out. Again, nice mild conditions with partly to mostly sunny skies out there, a little warmer out towards western Nebraska. Highs later on today, topping out in the lower 70s up north. Mainly sunny skies, not too much wind out there for today. Stronger winds out towards the west. We'll see highs in the lower to mid 70s, mostly sunny. Again, a few extra high clouds out there out west. In the south, mostly lower 70s for highs, mainly sunny skies, and then to the east, we're looking at temperatures topping out in the low to mid 70s with plenty of sunshine and a pretty light wind out of the east. I tell you what, if you have plans to head out to downtown Grand Island tomorrow for the Harvest of Harmony Parade, the annual first Saturday in October tradition, well, it looks pretty good out there for you. Now, things kind of officially kick off at 8:15 in the morning, but I know many people like to get out there early in the morning. Say you're getting out there at 7 to find a good spot. You want that jacket, maybe a blanket if you're going to be sitting out there for a while. You know how it is. A lot of people that have been out there before know exactly how they need to dress. Chilly conditions, 46 degrees. By 9 o'clock with mostly sunny skies, warming up to around 54, and then things starting to wrap up close to 11 o'clock. It'll be around 63 degrees at that time frame, and maybe you're doing a double header, you're heading to Lincoln, or maybe you're just heading to Lincoln early in the day. Looking pretty good out there as well. Light winds, partly cloudy skies. Now, don't forget the Big Ten Network will be there with their tailgate show. That starts at 9:30. That will be just north of the stadium. So you're looking, in this picture, for instance, you're looking at East Stadium, so you're looking towards the west. If you go to the right, there's a big track there, the Ed Weir track. That's where that will be taking place. If you are heading to the game between Illinois and Nebraska, get there early. Go there at 9:30. Take a sign, maybe kind of like the College Game Day show. Take a sign, and maybe an NBC Nebraska sign even. I don't know. But if you're going to be there, enjoy the weather. Should be great weather out there for the Big Ten Network's tailgate show. If you're just there for the game, looks pretty good. You're doing some tailgating. Looks really good. No complaints about the weather in Lincoln tomorrow. We warm it up over the weekend. 77, a little breezier on Sunday. The winds will continue to be breezy on a warmer, above average day on Monday. Again, average lows are now in the lower 70s, so we're going to be near or above that most of these next 3 or 4 days, and really the next 3 or 4, 5 days out there. Now, a chance of rain and thunderstorms moves in on Monday night as a cold front moves in. First starting out west Monday evening, and then for the Tri-Cities likely after midnight Monday night. Tuesday night looks to be the best chance of showers and thunderstorms. Now, not everybody's going to get heavy rainfall, but a few pockets of heavy rain, not out of the question. Right now, it looks like central and eastern Nebraska look to have the best chance of rainfall. That should clear out early on Wednesday morning. A little bit of wind with the system as well. There could be some pretty strong winds both ahead of the system and behind the system here. And a little cooler as well, but we should dry things out for Wednesday and Thursday with highs down in the upper 60s. So again, there's a little hiccup in the forecast there at the same time. We could use a little rain, especially for the grassy areas out there that have been so dry in the last week or so. At the same time, we don't want too much rain for those that are out in the fields harvesting their crops. Maybe a little rain would be good, though, to kind of pack down the dirt a little bit and keep the dust from getting too out of control out there. But again, the perfect week of weather will continue right into tomorrow. It'll wrap up Saturday because the week is over, but it has been such a great week of weather, and even most of next week outside of that rain chance looking pretty good as well. So there is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have an enjoyable weekend.